Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today is a beautiful day and just me, I don't know if you can see me, but it is a little bit dark. um, you can see the moods here. Christmas moods. People are already activated in celebration modes. So I was just having a walk and I say, oh my goodness, look at how people have decorated their houses. And I thought it's good for me just to show you. Meanwhile, I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please, if it is your first time, consider subscribing and also watch this video to the end, because basically I'm going to show you around how people are preparing for Christmas. And mind you, my friends, they started as early as last month. So if I could walk here last month, you could see those Christmas lights, and it is not something which has started today, because already we are in December. Today is 1st of December. It is something which started long ago. Because clear, if you can remember, some time back, almost a month ago, there was Halloween celebrations. And now it is Christmas. In my previous video, I said that this is a celebration mode from October, November, December, January. People are celebrating because it is Halloween celebration, end of year celebration, and New Year celebrations. So it is party after party, party after party. Yeah. So let's just have a walk. I'm rushing to the shop to do something small. So let's go together. Yes. Yes. You can just see how things are. I come across this one. You can see. Look at that one there. The light is shining, and it is, the mood is activated, I can say, and 99% of the people living in this area seems like they are ready. They are ready for Christmas. Yes, people are ready for Christmas. You know, sometimes when I look back many years ago when I was a kid, we used to wait up to the 24th of December. That's the time you start preparing for Christmas. But things are different, guys. You start celebrating early. And even me, at home, I think I will show you the decorations which I've started, simply because of my son, you know. He's growing here. So so that when he grows up, he doesn't complain that we did not decorate the houses, so that he can grow with the culture. So I will show you at the end of this video what is going on. Yeah, so you can see around, the places looks beautiful. You can see all the lights. You can see cars. I don't know, today is on Monday. Seems like there is a lot of cars here. There's a lot of cars, you know, operating on these roads. And guys, I want to show you something here. I got something happened right here. Thank you. You see, there's a club here. You can see. But I think this side, people have not put on the lights too much, like on the other side, because it is, I don't know. You will tell me, guys, in the comment section. You see, this place, the houses are not very much decorated. I don't know why, but basically, the moods are on. Yeah, and I came across this one. I don't know if you can see it, but because that's the route I want to take. I'm going to show you shortly what I have come across. You can tell me in the comment sections in your place. How have you started? Look at this. This and this. The two of them. Yeah. Look at this. I want to show you this street. Because this is the street I want to go to the supermarket and show you something. I want to take a photo. Look. It looks nice. Yeah. So it is celebration, Christmas celebration, party after party, all over. Not just here. If you walk across UK, you will find people are celebrating, you know? Yes. We are still on the move, trying to see the Christmas moods. Yesterday I saw somebody here who had super lights, and I'm going to show you shortly. Yeah. So once again, welcome back. It's just a continuation of the video, and as you know, many people, different people, we celebrate Christmas different, and we start different times. So today, I thought it's good for me just to show you how people are preparing for Christmas. And allow me to repeat once again that remember, this preparation started from last month. When I'm talking about last month, guys, I just mean from the month of November. Immediately after Halloween, Christmas. And boom, look at this one. Look at this one. There's another one on the other side, but look at this one. This is outstanding. You see? The whole house basically is lit. On the other side also you can see some lights on the windows. So this is one of the common things here. Yeah? It is very common, and it is very normal for people to put on the lights, yeah? Like that you see on the windows. Yes. Ask yourself, what have you done for Christmas? But I know for people who don't live here, there's no, you can see a Christmas tree on the window here. Yes, I was just saying that for those who don't live in Europe, there's no pressure, because it's normal for you to wait up to the 24th for you to prepare for Christmas. But here, you have to start early, more especially if you have babies. Wow. Look, I want to show you here. Look here. lights. Yeah.